Welcome to Mentors Hub, a community where you can learn, share, and grow. My name is Shivam Das, and I will be your mentor for data analytics and prompt engineering. I'm excited to take you on this journey into the fascinating world of AI and prompt engineering. So, whether you are completely new to this field or looking to sharpen your skills, this series is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of prompt engineering. So, let's get started. But before we dive deep into the subject of prompt engineering, I would like to ask you a couple of questions. First, why do you think you should learn prompt engineering? And second, what do you expect from this course? Feel free to comment your answers below in the comment section. So let's get started. Now, what exactly is prompt engineering? Well, in simple terms, prompt engineering is the process of designing and refining inputs, what we call prompts, that we give to the AI models like ChatGPT to achieve a desired output. To put this in another way, think of prompt engineering as crafting the perfect question or instruction that an AI can understand and respond to accurately. Now, this concept is becoming interestingly important in various fields for like content creation or customer service, healthcare, and even in finance. Why should we learn prompt engineering? Well, there are a few points that I might highlight. One is it enhances the efficiency. So, for example, you can upgrade your day-to-day tasks using prompt engineering or basically the language models. And by crafting creative prompts, you can help yourself make a good use of your time. Now, it also improves output quality. So if you want to write a paragraph, and if you just copy and paste it on prompt on any language model like ChatGPT and ask for a reply, you can see that how well constructed and how proficient the output is. Also, it is adaptable across domains, which is like AI is applied to a lot of field that I recently mentioned. So it ensures versatility and it helps in adapting to different tasks and requirement. Now, data analytics as well, because I will be teaching data analytics in near future. So you can also include prompt engineering in data analytics works. And it also minimizes the errors as it neglects all the irrelevant or incorrect outputs, leading to accurate results. So, which are the sectors where we can use prompt engineering? Now, these are some sectors I have mentioned, but I assure you there are a lot more sectors than this. Education, customer service, creative fields like entertainment or graphic designing, healthcare, marketing and e-commerce, software development, legal and compliance, research and data analysis. So you can see it more or less covers all the fields available. And I'm sure you can more get to add more fields in here as well. Now, what are language models? Normally, the what we tend to do is we use one language model and we continuously try to use that for every situations. Now, I understand that a language model is capable of performing n number of tasks, but what we need to understand it is a language model is not perfect for all the tasks. So there are different language models which have perfected different tasks. So as a prompt engineer, we need to keep that in mind that for different scenarios, we should be flexible to use different language models. Now coming to the content of this course. So what are we gonna cover in this course? So these are some of the topics that we are gonna cover in this course. And I should mention it beforehand that this course wouldn't go to the architectural part of prompt engineering, like the NLP part and all the models, mostly because this is a beginners friendly course I have tried to design for just to learn how to create constructive prompts and how to use the different templates and how to use the different models to enhance your prompt. So these are some of the parts that I will be covering, including introduction to prompt engineering, understanding AI models. So as I already mentioned, we won't go much into the architecture, but it is important to know something about it. Therefore, I have kept this topic. And then we will be directly jumping to crafting effective prompts, advanced prompt techniques, where we can see the templates and the models, use cases in different domains, prompt engineering for creative tasks, evaluating and improving prompts. And obviously, we will be having some practical sessions where we will be prompting live, and not only me, but you with me. We will be practicing prompting and we will enhance our skills. And at the end, the future trends in prompt engineering. So thank you for your patient hearing. See you in the next lecture, that is Introduction to Prompt Engineering.